Professor Lakhon kertong shimet ba aireng hakani ke election MP Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency uloong bakadaw ke jing syarem jeng ule se kala pandai namar ke jing bamdon ye ke parti babiang. Habakren shigila pathai Khubor Professor Lakhon uloong bakum kertong shimet ula teri shitam ba lada dei buya kun na ke parti babiang ke jing kun kanlong ke bayabe. Professor uloong bak election MP banya kun kumukur tong shimet kamde ka basuk henry watla kata ki Peit ba ki laai ka jing krisyan bat ka jing shania bas kem yu hadu bo la yo hadu khat prahajar sanspa prapuar vote shushu uloong kat kum ka jing sngo jong shimet ban Mihkhmat chedel hi kam Shong ha ka party henry kan Shong hi hau Briew lada ki Peit ba ki pha de ki National Party kum ka BJP lani Congress Henry ladakim keren ai bat haying dorbar parliament kam don jingmut ai. Namar haying dorbar kam dei bakren ka party Henry deu kertong uban keren haying dorbar ban penpawi ke jing bat jing don kam ka jela.
Gratitude to all my supporters who have been with me with our small team that we had in getting whatever numbers of votes that we got. I think we got 18,582 votes. I think I would like to thank each and every supporter who have put their trust in us, in me, and they thought that we can deliver, so they have given their support. So I'm really thankful to them, and we look forward to getting their support in the days to come, because like I have said, I have not joined politics only to fight this MP election. We have a long way to go. And this work that we have started will continue. In which form, which shape, of course, will be known in next few days, few weeks maybe, because we understand that working alone as a candidate may not be possible for you to achieve what you want to achieve as far as your agenda is concerned. So maybe we have to look for, or we have to align ourselves with somebody who is more or less similar in terms of ideology, which has to be, of course, secularism has to be very important. Any party which believes in secularism, who are secular, I think I will have no issue joining them if our agenda is incorporated with their agenda, so that we can do good for the people of these 7 districts of Khasinews Hills and Khubor district, and also I think the state of Meghalaya as a whole. I think we have to find that kind of a party. Yes, there are a few parties who have approach to initiate a discussion, so maybe next few weeks time we'll come to know, because I understand that this whole election has been a learning process, where we have learned that maybe alone it will be very difficult for you to achieve your agenda within a defined period of time. So maybe being in a group, being in a party probably will enable us to fight in a more stronger manner, so that we can carry the message to public that what we stand for and why we want to work for the betterment of our state, so that people can trust us, people can give their support if we are dedicated, if we are honest, if we are sincere to work for the welfare of the public of these 7 districts of Khasinews Hills and Khubor district, and also of course for the entire state of Meghalaya. And there are at least few parties who have said that let's have a discussion, and naturally I will not name them now, because that will not be appropriate. So we'll discuss in next few days maybe how to go about it. But certainly we felt that having a party will always be a good thing to move ahead, especially if you want to do good for the public, because this is important, that when you are working for public welfare, I think it's important that we take public along, and if you have a support base which a party might enjoy.
Okay, so you will join regional party or maybe national
again,
party?
Yeah, I think let's leave that question for some other day. I think, but I know we have to look at the bigger picture always, because as you have seen even yesterday, the national politics also have changed. So these days, we have to be keeping in mind of what is also happening at the national level. So keeping everything in mind, both local as well as national, I think we will be in a position to decide and take a call. Whatever we do, it will be the keeping the interest of people of Meghalaya and people of these 7 districts at the top of our mind. If it works for our people, then we align with a party which is of a similar kind of line of thinking. Because when you join a party, you don't join to serve a party, you join to serve people through that party. So that is more important. So if there is a party who is ready to serve the people in a more meaningful manner with honesty and dedication, I think that party will always be a party of choice.
Okay, election MDC, so you will contest?
Again, let's leave that question because this question has been asked to me by many individuals. I think let's not speculate now. Let's leave it for some other day maybe. We'll come to know because once you join a party, then it is not your decision. It is always the decision of the party that you have to respect. If the party decides, it has to be a collective decision, and hence I really don't want to answer yes or no right now because it all depends on where you join and what is their line of thinking vis-a-vis this MDC election or the 28 MLA election and so on. Him too closely, to be very frank. Okay, I can only pray for him, and I wish that he really delivers because getting elected is one thing, delivering is another important aspect. So I would say that yes, I'm happy that he is a colleague from NEHU who have won, but I think his challenge will start now, that when he goes to parliament and all by himself, I think this is the testing time, that how much he will be able to achieve as an MP, and this has to be visible change. We don't want cosmetic change here and there. We want to see visible change that should happen through our MP. Yes, we also have MP from Garavils, Shillong is there, and then of course we have Rajya Sabha MP. But because this one is an elected member, I would say that along with Shillong, I hope he delivers and he really brings to the limelight the problem faced by people of Meghalaya. Particularly, say if they really want to concentrate in their own constituency, say from 7 districts that we have elected, say Dr. Ricky, I think he has to really show and then he has to really tell Delhi that this is how things has to be. You have to now focus on what is wrong with state of Meghalaya, which is not a new state, but we are very, very far as development is concerned, and we are on the bottom of the list for all the indices of development. So how best he can convey this message and how he will maneuver himself in Delhi to bring that visible change which is so much wanting here will be a big question, and I do wish him good luck, and then only pray that work hard and then try to deliver, because if people have given you so much of faith, I think time has come that now you deliver, and in today's time, if you don't deliver, you can't come around next time and say give me vote again. Nobody will vote for you. So keeping that in mind, I would say that wish him good luck. May you be able to deliver the duty or the assignment that you have been sent for. You should be able to do good for these 7 districts that has elected you with so much of with a number that probably have not seen in many years. So I would believe that take that as positive and make good use of it. That's the only way out of it. Because if you don't deliver, I think you have seen even Modi can perish one day. So only now, I think talking, we have done enough of talking. Now maybe delivery has to be done, and people will judge you on how much you deliver, not on how much you have promised. So that will be a big ask. Let's hope that he will be able to do it.